Hello to Karen Cornelio. Big love shout out our live commenter and to our 2 live viewers. Hello, big love shout out and welcome to Ottawa. This is our weather today in Ottawa. We have a beautiful day and we have a refreshing breeze air outside, so it's not too hot. Oh, wow, amazing. It's a silent live with nature. So I just visit our live stream. Okay. I'm going to end this live soon. Gonna get busy today. Look at that road, so busy in that intersection. Hola! Mega love shout out to our 4 live viewers. Thank you for stopping by. And to our one and only liker, thank you so much. We're going to say bye bye. Gonna get busy this Monday morning. I can hear a crow. There's a crow right over there. Crow, crow, crow. Big love shout out to our remaining 1 live viewer. Hello to you, big love shout out. Thank you for joining by. I'm going to end this live soon. Thank you so much, everyone. See you again, maybe later.